James Osborne began to hiccup in 1922 after a hog fell on top of him. He wasn't cured until 68 years later and is now listed by Guinness as the world record holder for hiccup longevity. So, what causes hiccups? Easy peasy. We get them when our friends think of us. Isn't it? No. Doctors point out that a round of hiccups often follows from stimuli that stretch the stomach, like swallowing air or too rapid drinking or eating. To watch out the full video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.